Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. So Ethereum pushed a bit higher. It did reach 1309 yesterday, 1310. That was it. I think wave 5 is in. And yeah, we pushed higher and got our fifth wave. I think already when I made the last video, mentioned to you, even though the ideal target is 1315, that sometimes these ideal targets are not quite reached. So be on the lookout for that. And what we now have is here most likely this yellow wave 4 retracement. There's another way of how these subwaves can be put onto the chart. I've left them like that. I might change them for the next video. It would need a bit of moving around. It would need here this wave 1 to put that here, for example, and just do a bit of reshuffling around. I just need to see which one is most likely or which one is the better wave count. But for me, 3-4, this seems valid at the moment. I think that we can find support again in this support area. I think it is because we have this, by the way, is between 1245 and 1265. It is this previous wave 4, and that usually acts as really good support. Also, if I draw the fibs for this yellow wave 3, so the retracements, it takes us exactly into the region that is ideal for a wave 4. So if we look at the retracements here for this yellow, of the yellow wave 3 into wave 4, you can see that the 38.2% fib level, 1269, is the ideal retracement, ideal target for this wave 4, and the maximum, and it shouldn't do much more, is the 1256 level. That is sort of the maximum this wave 4 should do, and the ideal, as I said, is 1268, set 1269, so I primarily have to expect a little bit lower prices for this wave 4. It has, however, done the minimum it needs to do, but I think we will go lower. That's at least at the moment, because I don't have a signal that things are changing. As you can see, we've got an ascending trend line here, and this ascending trend line has been broken. That is a sign that things might go down further, not necessarily to break this entire bullish pattern, but just to get into this region here for the yellow support level, or at least between the region between 1256 and 1268. That would be an ideal level. Let me just mark that. And I think 1256 wouldn't be unrealistic, because it is also exactly where the previous wave 4 high of the lower degree bottomed. Okay, so let me just make them yellow, and from here we could then rally in a fifth wave. That would be ideal. If we drop below 1256, then it might mean that we have not fulfilled the bullish potential, so I would be extremely careful. If we drop below 1256, it could mean we come down to generally here the area between 1225, 1215, and if we drop below that, we could retest 1100. Generally, as long as we are above 1100, we can focus here on higher, okay? So the $1,100 level is putting the daily chart trend here, or at least the 4-hour chart trend, to the upside. And if we break this level, it will mean that we are most likely going to go down to $1,000 and most likely even lower. So the $1,100 level remains for me the point where I say, okay, above 1100, I focus on higher into the 1400 region. Below 1100 is most likely down. Okay, that's my update about Ethereum. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.